Ronaldo Webster. Webster goes low, it's saved, it's parried and scored! Bailey Calamarteri puts Jamaica on the board! Too much in this space, right there in the middle of that box. It's played over the top, Andre Blake having to retrieve, and it's over the bar! Numbers here if they can get this one right. The Reggae Boys streaming forward and the cross is taken. Hitchens all around, Katrawa cuts it in, hesitates. Now the shot is saved by Andre Blake. Opened up. Look at this run from Webster on the overlap. Playing behind Ronaldo Webster. He made the save because he was nearing the top of his area. He had to really stutter his feet, go to ground.